To activate promo code and get bonus, go to the OneWin website and click on Register. Then, fill in all the required details. After that, select the promo code option and enter TAKE25. You can copy the code from the comments or the description. That's it. The promo code has been activated. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or need further clarification, you can contact the website support team.